friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen potatoes O'Brien in the air fryer. So potatoes O'Brien, they're just diced frozen potatoes with diced onions and bell peppers. So what we need is a bag of frozen potatoes O'Brien. It's frozen solid, no need to defrost. And we also need oil. I'll use olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and seasonings of your choice. I will use salt and pepper. These are unseasoned. Look carefully if yours are seasoned, then you don't need additional seasonings. So I'm going to open a bag of frozen potatoes O'Brien. Now, because some of these potatoes are frozen in clumps, it's hard to season them when they're frozen like that, so I will put them in the air fryer. And then once they get defrosted, we'll move them back to the bowl and season them with oil and seasonings. So now let's just put them straight in the air fryer basket. So put them in the single layer. Don't crowd the basket too much, so I will put these in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 18 minutes. Now let's take out the air fryer basket. So now, see, the potatoes O'Brien are fully defrosted and they're no longer stuck together in clumps. So now I will move them to the bowl. Going to season them at this point. It's better to do it in a separate bowl, not the air fryer basket, because the air fryer basket has holes and we just don't want the oil and seasonings falling in the holes. So now let's just add a little bit of oil, and the amount is up to you. I like to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons, so it's coated with oil, but if you want to cut the oil, just don't add it or add less. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with my seasoning, salt and pepper. And now let's toss it to coat with oil and seasonings. So now the potatoes are seasoned. And I will return it to the air fryer basket. Spread them in a single layer. And let's put potatoes O'Brien back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. And now let's shake the air fryer basket so they cook more evenly. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these perfectly cooked potatoes O'Brien. They look delicious, so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's move them onto a plate. So they're perfectly cooked, so nicely browned. And the potatoes, peppers, and onions are all cooked perfectly. Now let me try it. They taste amazing. You're going to love cooking potatoes O'Brien in the air fryer. They're so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!